feel it in the air before she got on. People just went nuts. And I've had two musical godmothers in my life. They don't know, I'm just sharing this with you. I've had two musical godmothers in my life. One is Ella Fitzgerald and one was Judy Garland. And I did pay tribute to Ella on the tribute album, and I also did pay tribute to Judy, although I must say, when she recorded her landmark album, Judy at Carnegie Hall, it was so stunning. It was such a stunning achievement. I mean, people ran out of adjectives. We lost language in describing this feat. And there was one particular approach she took to a very well-known song by Harold Arlen and Johnny Mercer that I wanted to sort of fight my own way into it because it was such a spectacular treatment of this song. And so I had my sweet friend Peter Hume do this lovely arrangement of it. And once again, you are hearing student musicians play all this music. And I'm telling you, arts education is where it is at. So thank you. I leave you with this beautiful song. I will see you in the lobby, I'm sure. But I leave you with this beautiful song introduced to Judy Garland, Come Rain or Come Shine.